In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust Facebook push notifications. So I'm starting by going to Facebook and logging into my account. Once I'm in, I'm heading up to the top right corner and clicking on my profile picture. That opens the account menu, and from there I'm selecting settings and privacy, then choosing settings. This takes me into the main settings area, and now I'm looking for the preferences section. Under that, I'm clicking notifications because this is where Facebook lets me manage the alerts I receive. Now that I'm in the notifications section, I can see the different notification categories Facebook sends. At this point, I'm selecting any notification I receive that I want to adjust. So if there's a certain type of alert I want to change, this is where I open that category and look at the options inside it. Once I click into one, I'm scrolling down until I see the section that says where you receive these notifications. This is the part that matters for push alerts, because it lets me control how that notification reaches me. From here, I'm toggling the specific alerts on or off depending on what I want. If I want to keep getting that notification as a push alert, I can leave it on. If I want to stop it, I can switch it off right here. I'm just going through the notification types I care about and changing each one the way I want. It's a pretty simple setup once you're in the right place, because everything is organized by notification type and then by where those notifications are delivered. So if you're following along on your own screen, just take it one category at a time. Open Facebook, log into your account, click your profile picture in the top right corner, choose settings and privacy, then settings, and go into notifications under preferences. After that, pick any notification you receive, find the section called where you receive these notifications, and toggle the alerts on or off. That's really the full process, and you can repeat it for as many notification categories as you want. At this point, Facebook applies the change as you make it, so once you switch an alert on or off, that update is already in place. You don't need to go looking for a separate save button after every change. That makes this really easy if you're cleaning up your notifications and want to move through them quickly. Just open a category, adjust the push setting, then move to the next one if needed. So that's exactly how to adjust Facebook push notifications. Once you know where the notification section is, it only takes a few clicks to get in there. Choose the notification type you want and turn specific alerts on or off. Everything happens right inside the settings area, and once you make the change, you're done.